I'm just a blessed gal. Look how nice this is. Can't share with a sister. You got packages. Wait. I might be tripping.
Thank you to my man.
Yeah. What's good, lovies? I look a mess. I just got for work. This week has just been such a blessing. So many good things happening. So many good things happened. I'm just blessed and highly favored. I don't really know what to tell you. I'm just a blessed gal. We got packages per usual. I have the benefit PR package. I actually can't wait to open this because I don't know what they sent me. And then, of course, we got some Shein. I really need to do a Shein haul because, like I said, I have hella stuff. And I want to do like a outfit styling type of haul thingy. But I don't really know when that's going to get done. I'm trying to grind and get on my content game. You feel me? Get back on the YouTube. But I'm about to unbox this anyway, even though I'm not trying the items on. Child, before we even do that, I know I'm all over the place because I was not even planning on recording today. But I'm like, why not? I got a lot of things going on and maybe people want to see. Maybe. Let me tell y'all about my man.
And my man. Thank you to my man.
Yeah. Content about to go crazy. Content is about to go crazy. I showed you guys in my birthday vlog what my boyfriend bought me for my birthday. Surprised, but I found out what the gift is. Don't like the picture. I don't like the picture because he's crazy. And honestly, I was like, that was crazy. Bro bought me 18 bottles of wine. Who is drinking that? I don't know. I wanted to go to wine tasting. He decided to bring me the bottles of wine here so me and my mom can like taste different wines because that's what I really wanted to do. I was gonna go to a winery and taste different wines, stuff like that. He decided to bring me 18 bottles to my house, girl. I thought that was it because I thought that was crazy enough. But the man bought me a camera. And not any type of camera, an investment piece. And so I want to do a video on this camera, but I want to wait until I know more about it. I've been playing with it for a few days now because it came on Saturday. Today's Tuesday. And I play with it every day. After work, like clockwork. I learned new gadgets and gadgets on it. And I honestly cannot wait until I start recording on it. I've already made like recorded short things on it just to see how it looked. And pictures. And I can't wait. Like, I'm so excited. I don't understand. It's been about like, I want to say 3-4 years that I've really been wanting a camera. Thank you to my man and my man. Thank you to my man. And thank you for Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior, for blessing me with a human that blessed me with this. Because when y'all saying thank you to your man, make sure y'all thanking Jesus. Yep. I'm about to quickly open this package. Again, I did not plan on doing all this today. This is real just like raw material. I've been seeing this bag on Shein and I really want it because I feel like it's a cute like everyday bag. No simple and whatnot. Trust me, I don't need no more bags. I got a light, some brushes, things to improve my contents. Y'all be on the lookout for the haul because within the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be putting out the haul. Then my hair off so I can do this haul. And then my skin instead of breaking out, my skin not looking right, I just don't wanna. You feel me? But we're not gonna use that as an excuse. More clothing pieces, a bonnet because I need a new bonnet. This, oh my gosh, I can't wait to style this. And they have a purple one too. I'm just gonna get all of them. But yeah, I don't feel like going through all this, so that's it. Yeah, y'all gonna see the rest of the stuff in the haul, so just be on the lookout for that. But this is the beginning of this little vlog. I don't really know why I'm a vlog, but it's gonna be fun. No, I just feel really blessed today. Not just today, but just since my birthday, like, entering the month of October, I always feel so blessed. Maybe it's because of my birthday month, but I don't know. It's just something about me in October. Good things be happening. It's like always like a breath of fresh air when I enter October. I'm supposed to be doing my testimony Tuesday videos because I gotta tell y'all about the things God been doing in my life. I'm not gonna believe me. Like, y'all not gonna believe me. And it's well overdue. But I was trying to do this like weekly, and then I was thinking like maybe every 2 weeks. But I think I'm gonna do it once a month because sometimes it takes time for you to realize how God is moving. Sometimes we don't see when God is moving, and I think I need more time. Every week I could probably say 1 or 2 things, but it's not enough to make a video. But that's it for today. I'm about to go to the gym and get my life together. But yeah, the rest of this video is gonna be just me being productive and getting on my grind, because God moving, but in order for God to move, I need to move too. So I'm gonna get the step in, get the step in, get the step in, and I'm making a detox drink. Packages is here, bro. Every day I wake up to packages. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Ski! My boo bear. Say, I don't even call him that. I just felt like him that. He got me the camera and I had to buy all this stuff for the camera. Well, I didn't have to. I wanted to. Well, some of it I needed, like, oh my god, my address. Hold on, we gotta do this all again. This is the case for the camera. Why I look like that? Why, like, bro, someone bought this and then returned it. And then they just give it to you? Is it fine? Someone definitely bought this, returned it, and they just resold it. If it's okay, I'll keep it, but why it look like that? I should probably take the lens off, but I'm lazy, so. I gotta take the strings out, because it was hard putting them strings on. I gotta take the strings out. Okay, we're gonna do this another time, because, yeah, but here's the case. Why it look funny? Like, I don't know. If it's good, I'm keeping it. If not, I'm returning it, because that was obviously used. Then I need to read this book. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. My brother literally swears by this, and I've been trying to get into my reading. This is my third book I bought this month. I got a new laptop case. I haven't had a case on my laptop in a minute, and I know I have another one somewhere, but I don't feel like looking for it, so I just bought it. And I was about to go to the gym. I should have been at the gym, but I've been pushing it off because absolutely not want to drive in the thunder and rain. Like, that doesn't give me stay home. Okay, so this is supposed to be a big makeup bag. This not giving big. And he's like, you know, folded up or something. This is tiny. It's tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. I might return this one. I like the little hanger thing. The sides do open up. You know what I mean? Put your brushes and stuff in there. I don't know. I think I'm gonna try to put all my makeup that can't fit in my drawers in here. And if it fit, I might keep it if it fit. But if one thing, I don't care if it's an eyebrow pencil can't fit, it's for getting returned. Okay, what's this? So I did buy the batteries? Bro, I'm getting all stressed because I hate when I buy stuff and it's not like up to par. And it's supposed to be 2, like, what is this? What is this? Wait. I might be tripping. Yeah. I didn't buy the battery. The battery is in my Amazon cart. This is for the new light I bought. I bought one of those lights to go on my camera. I'm gonna be a real content girly. Like, tested $5. A bit pricey, but you gotta invest in your content and invest in yourself. I only bought it. It's been like years of sitting in my safe for later. This is the battery for the tanks. This thing is kind of heavy. Ooh! Okay, so, okay. So 10 is the lowest. You can still see me when it's on 10. This is so cute. You can still see me on 10. Okay. I'm trying not to blind my eyes. That's why I wanted to face y'all, but ooh, girl. And it get right, and right, and right, and right, and right. And then it stops on 99. So this is it on 99. Let me blind y'all too. I can't be the only one getting blind. You feel me? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Y'all get the gist. I'm be hitting the shots like this. Hitting the shots like this. Hitting the shots like this. Yeah, right there. Right there. Pose. And these are my screen protectors. I put the stuff in my room and then go to the gym. I'm not really doing much. I just think I need to move my body every day for at least 30 minutes. And you should too. You should too. Thank you. I'm back at it again in a live. I'm about to put this on my computer before I go because that's what I want to do. I don't know about y'all, but every time I order something on Amazon for my computer, it be the wrong size. I think I got the right size today. And it be covering. Nah, bro. They said this the Pro joint, but it always end up covering one of my ports. What be going on, bro? And then can they be having like something that say front, bottom, back, side, corner? Can you open up? Because what's going on here? Get it together. Yeah. I'm on my laptop. Yeah, I'm on my laptop, and what about it? I am on my way home from work, but I want to stop at Target, and when I tell you, say I am tired. Your girl is tired. I told y'all my face is breaking out, but I don't think y'all could see, but it's bad. I hope they towed his car. Because why would you just leave your car in the middle of the road like that, bro? Anyway, and it's cold and it's rainy, and I don't know, cold and rainy just gives you need to be in the house, you know, watch a nice movie, you know. I don't like being outside in the cold, in the rain, and snow. That is not my portion. I'm freaking handicapped because it's cold and y'all got all them spots you can't share with a sister. I think that's discrimination. Y'all probably saw me like 3 different hairstyles. I just got home from work. This is literally my life. Work, gym, eat, sleep, work, gym, eat, sleep. I just got my package for my Wet n Wild partnership. Look at all the goodies they sent me, bro. 2 blushes, an eye curler, contour palettes, setting powder. Oh yeah, translucent powder, waterproof eyeliner. They sent me all their powders. Literally, I have all the shades for their powders. They sent me 3 of their powders, 3 of their eyeshadow palettes, 2 of the brow gems, mascara, more waterproof eyeliner, Impossible primer. They're new lippies because I've never seen these before. Goody. But I'm about to go get ready for the gym, girl. I'm tired. Another day, another package. I feel like this vlog is just filled with me unboxing stuff. But I've been receiving hella stuff because I'm trying to upgrade the content. Again, I look a mess. And this is my 3rd hairstylist video. I am currently on Kiehl's PR team. And Kiehl sent me this beautiful, beautiful package with all their products. And I'm so excited to try it because my skin, I don't know if you guys can see it, looks horrible. And then I got my book. Right, my brother said that this book is really good, so I bought it. I needed a camera bag. Oh yes, and all my stuff won't fit in here. Pack my camera bag with me. This is the camera bag that I got. This is the brand. The tripod is in here. Oh, I'm doing a photo album so my kids can look at it and be like, girl, my mom used to be a baddie. So that's what this is for. This is a better angle. I'm about to pack my bag. So this is the bag that I will be packing today. So it has like 3 slots in it, 1, 2, 3. And these are Velcro slots to make the slots bigger or smaller. My lens, I'm putting it smack dab in the middle. The camera is going on this side because it's the biggest hole. I have 2 battery packs for my Amazon light that put that there. And then my vlogging light. I think I'm gonna put it in the back because I have 2. I'm using one right now. That's the Shan one that I'm using. I put extra screen protectors for my camera screen back there. In the front, we have SD card and then chargers for importing. Yeah, I'll just lay that right there on top. This is literally everything inside my camera bag. Look how nice this is. I'm really a camera girly, like, y'all see it. After seeing the quality of my camera, I hate recording on my phone, especially not no front camera recording, like, that's wild. But I'm gonna show you guys the stand, and then I'm about to clean up and, I don't know, shower and nap or something. I'm tired with this life. So here is the stand that I got. As you'll see, very sturdy stuff. It's a strong stand, bro. Look at the details to this top part right here. So this can come off. Like there's a button to take it off, and there's a button to open it up and lock it. And then you have this, which you can just turn without like touching the camera or anything. This winds it up and down. These are my work shoes, don't say nothing. Then you have these little things to adjust it. All around, it's just real sturdy.
Your fire is consuming. Feel this way.
Another deal, $1.
So I never recorded an outro. What's that on my eye? I never recorded an outro for this video, so this is the outro. I'm doing my little face mask, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Will probably be my wash day video, because do y'all see these old dusty braids? Girl. It's gonna be a deep, intense wash day to revive my hair. So I'll see you guys in that video. And as always, God bless you, be beautiful, and love yourself. Bye.